So the floor jack isn't lifting as high as it should. It kind of runs out of steam about there. And it should continue up to about there. So I'm going to try adding some jack oil to it and see if that solves the problem. So this one has a screw in the valve body here, and a lot of times it might just be a rubber or plastic cap that you can pry and pop off. So first of all, this is really grungy, so I'm going to try and clean off some of this dirt because I don't want to get any dirt on the inside. Alright, so I want to make sure that this is down in its lowest position. If you have it up, you can end up overfilling it. Alright, take this screw out. And this looks like it has an O-ring on the top of it, so you want to check that and make sure that's in good shape. Alright, so now looking in that hole, I don't see any fluid. So we're going to pour some in there. I've got just a little funnel kind of thing here. And we're going to pour just a little bit in at a time. It does now look like, let's see, let me set that over here. And we're overflowing. Alright. Now I'm going to work out any air that's in there. I don't see any. That looks pretty good. Alright, let's put this cap back on. Now if I close the valve, jack it up. And that is now full extension. Alright, so that seems to be working better. So if your floor jack isn't lifting as high as you think it should, maybe try adding a little bit of jack oil to it and see if that solves the problem. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or clicking the join button below to become a member. Thanks for watching. Take care.